Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan macarons. We'll cover everything from preparing your aquafaba meringue to achieving those perfect, delicate shells. This full guide will help you master the art of plant-based baking, ensuring delicious results every time. Get ready to impress your friends and family with these delightful treats. Let's dive into the details and get baking. First, let's create our aquafaba meringue. Ensure your aquafaba is chilled. This helps it whip up beautifully. Start by whipping it with a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar until it's nice and foamy. Then, slowly incorporate your granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach those glossy, stiff peaks. This forms the stable base for your macaron shells.
If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing vegan recipes. And hey, baking can be thirsty work, so stay refreshed with an Eau à la water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cold while you're whipping up treats. Check the description below for a link to the Eau à la bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the crucial macaronage step. Gently fold your sifted almond flour and powdered sugar into the aquafaba meringue. You're aiming for a lava-like consistency, where the batter flows slowly off your spatula in a ribbon. Once achieved, transfer the batter to a piping bag and pipe uniform 1.5-inch circles onto your prepared baking sheets. Consistency is key here. After piping, let your macaron shells dry at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes, or until a skin forms. This prevents cracking and helps develop the feet. Then, bake them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know they are done when they have distinct feet and don't wobble when gently touched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.